Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super cinematic Hitchcock Dolly Zoom animation from just a single photo. It's quick, easy and totally free with Pixverse. So let's get started. First, just open Pixverse. You can use the web versions on your browser, or you can also download the Pixverse app from the Play Store if you are on mobile. And once installed, just log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Pixverse will give you a free credits every single day so you can generate without spending a cent. Next, just head over to the template, this one, just tap on it, and then just search for Hitchcock Dolly Zoom, this one, just tap on it. And then just tap on use template. This is the icon effect that will give that dramatic boost and pull feelings you see in movies, and it's perfect for adding suspense or cinematic vibes to your photos. Now just simply upload the photo that you want to use. It could be a portrait, a landscape, or even an object. This effect will work with almost anything. And once you're done, select the image and the image is uploaded. Just tap on create and then just go to mine and then wait for the process. And okay, in just a few seconds your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Just tap on the video. And okay, like this, your photo turns into a dynamic Hitchcock Dolly Zoom animations automatically. You don't need to adjust complex settings, and Pixverse does all the work for you. And okay, that's it. From a single photo to a cinematic Dolly Zoom in just a few clicks. And honestly, I love how dramatic this looks. And okay, maybe that's it. Just try it out yourself. Just play around with different photos and see how creative you can get. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.